So what is the rules for filling up of electrons in orbitals? And you know, when electrons are arranged in different orbitals in lower energy state, then it is known as ground state level. So for describe this electronic arrangement in ground state level, first you have to learn about three rules, that is the Pauli's exclusion principle, the Hund's rule, and the Above principle. By these three principles or theory, we can easily describe the arrangement of electrons in ground state level. So first one is Pauli's exclusion principle. This principle, established by Pauli in 1925 from studies on atomic spectra, and essentially states that no two electrons in an atom can exist in the same quantum number. Accordingly, the same set of value for all four quantum numbers cannot be assigned to more than one electrons in an atom. In a more general form, the principle involves symmetry properties of the wave function and is referred to the Pauli's principle. For example, if the three quantum numbers for an orbitals is equal, then must be the fourth quantum numbers are different. If we consider for 1s orbital, so this 1s orbital have principal quantum number equal to 1 for one electron, and for another electron the principal quantum number also is 1, and both of these electron have L value equal to 0 because it is 1s orbital, and you know for s orbital L equal to 0. So if two electron present in 1s orbital, so for both electrons have n value equal to 1 as well as L value equal to 0, and also m value equal to 0. But these two electrons have different spin quantum number. If one electron have clockwise rotation, then another electron have anti-clockwise rotation. So for one electron the spin quantum number is plus half, and for another electron the spin quantum number is minus half. So according to the principle, we can assign only one electron to each set, and hence the maximum numbers of electron which may be placed in the 1s orbital is 2, and any third electron would mean a repetition of either of these two sets, and these two electrons which is present in the 1s orbital must have opposite spin. Next one is Hund's rule. The rule may be stated as follows, that the ground state of an atom should contain the maximum numbers of unpaired electrons within the same subshell with their spin parallels. So as an illustration, a system with 2 or 3 np electrons will have one electron in different p orbitals with spins parallel. The same principle applied for d and f orbitals. The preference of the electrons for parallel orientation of spin within a given subshell cannot be readily understood from any classical analog. It has been shown that such system gain an additional new type of stabilization by an exchange energy. Next one is Above principle. Actually, this Above principle gives us information about the energy of the orbital, and this energy of orbitals can be easily calculated by a small rule, that is n plus L rule. What is the n plus L rule? So according to Above, the energy of an hydrogenic orbitals is found to depend on the principal and azimuthal quantum numbers, that is n and L. Orbital energies increases as n plus l value increases. If there are two orbitals with the same value of n plus l, the one with the smaller n has the lower energy. For example, 2s and 2p. The 2s have n plus l value equal to 2 because for 2s orbital n equal to 2 and l equal to 0. So for 2s orbital n plus l equal to 0. And for 2p orbital n plus l equal to 3 because for 2p orbital n equal to 2 and p equal to and l equal to 1. So for 2p orbital n plus l equal to 3. So you can say this 2s orbital have lower energy than 2p orbital. Similarly, if there are two orbitals with the same value of n plus l, for example 4s and 3d. For 4s, for example 4s and 3p. For 4s orbital, you know the n plus l value equal to 4. But for 3p orbital, the n plus l value also is 4. So the one with a smaller n has the lower energy. That is, as the 3p orbital has lower n value, so the energy of 3p orbital is lower than 4s orbital. So according to Aufbau principle, when electrons are arranged, then first lower energies subshells or lower energies orbitals fill first, then electrons comes to the higher orbitals. This is Aufbau principle.